A very hi to all of you. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing my channel, for coming back to my channel. This is your Divine Masculine to the Divine Feminine reading for the twin flame journey, about what your Divine Masculine wants to say, what are the energies of your Divine Masculine, and what are the next steps they want to take, and the signs which you can be dealing with, and many more things which I will tell you in this video. I will try my level best to deliver all the messages which I am getting for you. Okay, I hope it resonates with you, but if it does not resonate with you, you can skip it out, because this is a collective general DM energy. Okay, this is a general collective divine masculine energy and the messages, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take according to your situation, and which is not resonating, you can skip it out. So let's start. Let's see. Yeah, so let's see what are the messages. What are the messages? Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to the divine feminines from the divine masculine who are not in contact with. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Help me out. What are they thinking? What our divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? What does they want to say? Give me the messages. I am not the same person who you remember. That's what they want to tell you, okay? I am not the same person that you remember. 1 minute. Okay. I understand our connection now. Now they understand the connection, divine feminines, because now they are understanding this connection. You make me feel that I am worth something. You make me feel that I am worth something. That's the message I'm getting here. You make me a positive person. So they want to tell you that you make them a positive person, and you make them that, you make them realize that they are worth something. Okay, they understand the connection now. You respect everything I like. You respect everything I like. I want to talk to you but don't know what to say. They want to talk to you but they don't know what to say. This is a repeated message which I am getting in every collective reading of divine feminine masculine to the divine feminine. Okay, this is a collective message. They want to talk to you but they don't know what to say, and you make them a better person. Okay, you were always there when I need you. So you were always there when the divine masculine required you. Okay, I need more time to figure things out. Okay, they need more time to figure things out. You make me feel alive. Sometimes I wonder if saying I am sorry is enough. So that's the message they want to tell you, that they understand the connection now. You make them a better person, a positive person. Do you make them, would you accept me? They want to know, would you accept me? I know I screwed things up, and honestly I have no idea how to fix it. So yes, they want to talk to you but they don't know what to say. They want to fix things up but they don't know how to fix things up with you. But they know that they have screwed things up. They have done wrong with you. They need more time to figure things out. You respect everything I like. Would you accept me? They want to know, would you accept me? Okay. Let's add some messages from this deck. Let's see what are the messages for the divine masculine to the divine feminine in this reading. Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages you want me to deliver? What are the messages which I want to deliver? What are the messages? Yeah, right. So your divine masculine can be a mature man. Maybe you both are having an age difference between two of you. There is an age difference here. Okay. Here the mature man and 0555 was the recording reading time. The mature man and the lover. So there is a mature man. Maybe this is your divine masculine who is a mature man, and there is poverty and there is expectation. So yes, they need more time to figure things out. They are not, still they don't know. Okay, they are stuck in the thoughts. That's the message which I'm getting about having expectation. And this is you having expectations. Maybe you are having more expectations that they will reach you out, but they are stuck in their own, own thinking process, because here I'm having bad health here. Okay, so yes, they are feeling, they are in this is not physical wise bad health. This is about, no, they don't have mental clarity about how to approach you. See, they are saying that they want to talk to you, but they don't know what to say, how to approach you. They don't know this, and they are having a lot of questions for you. Basically, would you accept me? Okay, sometimes I wonder if saying sorry is enough, and because of that mentality they are feeling, very bad. And there is someone around them who was wearing a false mask, and now they are knowing that. So this is a karmic energy. Maybe they're getting the karmic energy here. Maybe you are having child with your, see, bottom of the deck I'm having main female here. Yeah, right. They are feeling, they're having thoughts of you, divine feminines. They're feeling thoughts of you, and there is desperate. They're feeling lose hope. They're feeling hope that you both are going to reconcile one day. They're feeling, they're missing you. That's the message I'm getting. They're missing you very badly. They're missing you, and you need to heal your inner child here, or you have to, maybe you're having child with your divine masculine, but you need to heal your inner child, or they have to heal the inner child here. See, mature man and mature woman both are here. So I can consider here divine masculine and the divine feminine. You both are the mature man and the mature woman here. You are working so hard on your occupation, okay, on yourself. You are working so hard here. See, to become a wealthy man. There is a wealthy man here. Lot of cards wants to come out. Okay, but whatever situation is happening, that is going to end here. Okay. Wow. There will be a message you soon going to receive. Okay. Right now you're working on your occupation, you are working on yourself. A new journey is going to start. There is change which is coming for you. 0909 was the recording reading time. A new chapter of your life is going to start here. There is someone who is very concerned here. Okay, and this is not your DM. Okay, this is not your divine masculine. This is someone else, maybe their father, or there is someone, or their friend, or someone is very concerned. Maybe this is concern in your family. That can be a possibility, but someone is very concerned. That's a fatherly figure, or the male figure is here. There is sudden wealth which is going to happen for you. A sudden wealth is here. Someone was wearing a false mask here, and which now has to show them basically. Your divine masculine, now they know that someone was wearing a false mask. They were dealing with the karmic one. That's why they're saying that I understand our connection now. 1010 was the recording reading time, and that's the karmic completion, the 10. Let me see, what does you want to say me? Wow. Reconciliation. Reconciliation. Maybe you are number synchronicity. You are seeing number synchronicities. You are finding the signs that can be a possibility as angels are trying to communicate to you. Pay attention. Okay, maybe you are getting the number synchronicities like 111, 222, 1234, any number. Okay, so there is reconciliation. Together we will make it. So yes. Any other message? Wow, bottom of the, wow. Divine masculine, they have to get out. Wow, okay. They get out of the box. Okay, they are feeling very fear. They have to get out of their own trapped box here. Okay, they're feeling hope. Okay, they're feeling losing. They are losing hope. See, that's what they are doing. I was unable to speak because they're losing hope. They're losing hope, and this is a time they're feeling very regretful, and this is a time for them to release any regrets if they are having. Okay, if they are having, and if they are in a state of losing any hopes, all hopes, so they have to get out of that state as soon as possible. 1144 was the recording reading time, and they have to get out of the fear box. 1155 was the recording reading time. They need to do their chakra balancing. Okay, transformation is taking place for divine masculine here. Okay, see, union, you both are getting close to each other, and the divine timing, the divine is co-creating your journey here. Beautiful. There is union, there is reconciliation, both are here. Not Aquarius, I used to do Aquarius reading, so yeah. Maybe there is an Aquarius here. Okay, so there is blockage, speaking negativity into your connection or your path. Okay, that can be a blockage here. So stop speaking negativity. If you are speaking divine feminines, if you are speaking any kind of negativity in your connection or in your path, stop speaking that. There is twin flame awakening, growing closer, gaining awakening, gaining awareness. See, transformation is taking place. Your twin flame awakening is happening. That's why the transformation is taking place. Your twin flame is getting awakened. Okay, so that's why now they understand connection. I understand our connection now because they are getting awakened here. That's why they are seeing number synchronicities, or you are seeing number synchronicities. 1313 was the recording reading time. Guidance, pay attention to signs, divine communication. See, the divine is trying to trying to communicate with you or with your divine masculine. You have to pay attention to the signs because divine is trying to talk to you. Okay, divine feminines. Wow. Trust in the divine timing. Trust in the divine timing. Surrender to the divine. He has better plans. Take a break and the marriage. Replenish your reserves to realign with positivity. You can take a break right now. Okay, and many of you are going to get married here. Marriage card is here. Twin flame soul merge. Beautiful. Reconciliation, union, marriage, twin flame awakening. Beautiful messages. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And if you are in a chasing form, divine feminine, stop chasing your divine masculine and focus on yourself. There is a message. We are bringing information to benefit you. See, pay attention these days because divine is trying to communicate to you. They are bringing information which will help you out. There is a message which is coming for you, which is an important message. Beautiful cards, beautiful messages. I love it. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add more messages. Thank you. And let's add some messages from Dancing with Angels. This is the deck which I got today, and this is very beautiful deck. Let's see what are the messages you want me to deliver for this twin flame, this divine masculine to the divine feminine reading. What are the messages you want me to deliver? Give me the messages which I need to deliver for this video. What are the messages you want me to deliver? Okay, for this video, give me the messages. What are the messages? I love this deck, and this is very beautiful deck and very powerful messages too. Okay, I told you that stop chasing your divine masculine. Okay, work on your creativity. Angels wants you to infuse creativity into your life by undertaking painting, music, literature, etc. This will open to you to new possibilities and widen your horizons. So work on your creativity, divine feminines. There is sublime faith. Have unflinching faith in the divine despite what transpires in your life. Have faith that every aspect has been obtained by a higher power. So have faith in the divine, because everything is happening according to the divine. This is a journey with this which is divinely guided journey. So everything is happening according to the divine. You have to keep your faith in the divine. There is abundance which is coming for you. Angelic abundance. Angelic blessings of abundance are showered upon you. Be grateful and spread the happiness around you. So beautiful. There is games of snake and ladders. Angels are guiding you every step of the way and ask you to be mindful of the choices you make. As the saying goes, higher the rise, greater the fall. Armed with guidance from angels, work on your weakness. Distance yourself from ego, pride, jealousy and anger. Okay, so you have to distance yourself from ego, jealousy, pride or an anger here. There is responsibility. Angels say it is the time for you to take responsibility for your own actions, flaws and failures. It is futile to blame others. Okay, so you have to take responsibilities for whatever has happened in your life. Don't blame others. Okay. There is a message of Archangel Uriel. Call upon Archangel Uriel as he is conduct to your angel and spirit guides, from who you shall receive clarity in spiritual guidance. So you can call upon spiritual, if you want any guidance, any clarity, you can call upon Archangel Uriel. There is transcend with angelite. Angels guide you to use angelite crystal to evolve your spiritual consciousness and enhance communication with angels. Okay, if you are unable to communicate with angels, so you can use angelite. Okay, so that you can listen to the communication what they want to tell you. Okay, there is light worker here, and there is third eye. You have to, angels wants you to start meditative practice to activate your third eye. Clear visions, intuitions and angelic communication awaits. So work on your third eye chakra, because beautiful things are waiting for you. You need to work and meditate and open your third eye chakra. Divine feminines and the divine masculine, if you are also looking this video. Light worker. Angels have selected you to be their light worker by spreading joy, hope and happiness in the lives of your soul group. Be a beacon of light and dispel the darkness from their lives. So you are the light workers. Okay, spread light and peace and harmony and the love. Okay, whoever requires in your surrounding, in the soul group. Do your soul purpose. That's a message I'm getting. There is stay connected to your inner child. See, again the stay connected to the inner child is here. I told you that you have to, maybe you're having children, or you have to work on your healing of your inner child. From this deck I was having child here. Stay connected to your inner child here. Again the same message is here. Angels wants you to maintain a strong connection with your inner child, the part of you that is kind, loving and compassionate. Staying true to your inner child will make you older self rise and shine. So self connected, you have to connect it with your own child. There is alternative medicines. Angels wants you to treat your ailment with alternative medicine therapies like Bach flower, acupuncture, Reiki, etc. If you're having any kind of problem, I can say ailment, okay, any kind of ailment, you can angels wants you to treat with the alternative medicines, like you can use acupuncture or the Reiki or the Bach flower, that you can use it. There is parents. You have imbibed qualities and patterns from your parents. Retain the good ones and discard the negative ones. Okay, so please be aware if you are following the patterns which your parents were having. 2121 was the recording reading time. The negative ones you have to discard, and the positive ones you can carry on and move in a forward direction. So these are the messages from this deck. Let me see what does Divine Masculine wants to do next. What steps they are going to take towards Divine Feminine. What steps? Wow. What steps? Two of Cups, King of Wands. Okay. What steps Divine Masculine wants to take? The Star. Okay. What steps Divine Masculine? Knight of Gabriel, Knight of Wands, and Knight of Ariel. Wow. Ace of Cups. They want to share the cup with you, Divine Feminine. They want to give you emotional fulfillment. Okay. They are right now feeling very sad, remorse, guilt about whatever has happened in the past. They are feeling sad. But don't worry, peace is coming for you. Okay. The peace is coming for you. They're rising as an emperor here. Beautiful. Celebration. Wow. Ten of Pentacles. Celebration. Ten of Pentacles. Wow. The Magician. Two of Wands. The Justice. Wow. The Four of... Wow, wow, wow. They are making a choice. They are at the crossroads. They are manifesting you, basically. They want to give you the cup here. The Two of Cups is here, okay? They want to give you Two of Cups. They see you as very passionate, very, you know, very mysterious, very attractive, very passionate, very creative. They see you as someone who is very passionate, very creative, very, you know, inspirational. They see you as someone that, the Divine Feminines, they see you as King of Wands here, and they see you as Star here. Okay, they see you as someone who gives new hopes, new desires. Okay, you are shining like a star. They see you as someone who gives inspiration. You are the inspiration for them. Okay. There is Knight of Gabriel. Okay, that means Knight of Wands, and there is Knight of Pentacle. So they is coming very slowly, but they are coming here, okay? And they are taking, the time has come to take action, okay, but they know that what to do, but just they are taking time, okay, they are taking time to take action, and they know where their passion lies here, okay, they are taking a lot of time to take that step here. Can you see? They were saying that I need more time to figure things out here, because this is the slowest energy in the tarot deck too. So they need more time to figure things out. Okay, they need more time so that they can take a proper decision, because they want to give you Ace of Cups. This is a cup which is full of emotions, okay, all emotions, a positive new emotional experience, fulfilling romantic relationships, deep and lasting spiritual insights. But right now they are focusing on those things which has already happened in the past. They're feeling very sad, remorse, guilt on that thing which has already happened, okay. Can you see here? They know that they screwed things up, okay, they screwed things up, but they don't know, they don't have any idea how to fix it. They want to talk to you, but they don't know what to say, because they are in the energy of Five of Cups. They're feeling sad, remorse, guilt on all those things which has already happened in the past, but they need to make peace for that, and they have to understand, the divine masculine has to understand that everything has happened for a reason. Release regret, embrace the opportunities for happiness, search for silver lining, okay. They have to release any regret and make peace for it, okay. So here I'm having peace, release the past, there is more enriching future coming, let go and let God in. So yes, they're making peace for the past, whatever has happened, but they will take more time to figure this thing out. And after this, they're rising as an emperor here, okay. They're rising as an emperor. Emperor is someone who is very stable, very efficient, taking charge of the situation and ambitious plan. Can you see how they are coming from Knight of Wands to the Emperor? They're coming very quickly from Knight of Wands to the Emperor here. But they want to give you beautiful things here, Divine Feminine. Ace of Cups. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. They just have to make peace with the past, what they have done in the past with you. Okay. So that was the message which I was getting it. Let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. The signs, the months or the days which they have born. They can born on June. They can be a June baby. They can be a Scorpio. They can be an Aquarius. See, I was saying Aquarius. I know I used to do Aquarius reading, but yeah, okay, Aquarius are my favorite. Okay, so they can be an Aquarius, okay. Any other sign? Any other? January baby. So they can born on January here. They can born on October. They can born on Wednesday or Thursday. They can be a combination of water and earth. That element can present in their chart, water and earth. They can be a Virgo. Okay, too many. They can born on February baby. Okay. They can be a Cancer here. They can be earth and fire. Earth and fire can be the element. They can be a water sign. Yeah, Cancer and Scorpio is here. So that can be a possibility that they are the water sign. Okay. Okay, any other message? They can be an Aries here, okay, and they can be an earth sign. So these can be the signs or the elements or the things, the days which they are born on, okay. Let's add some message from my Romance Oracle card. What are the messages you want me to deliver for this reading? Help me out to deliver the message. Too many. I need to make it out again because it's too small. Yeah, see, false mask. There is someone who is wearing false mask. Okay. false mask, deception, false mask here, deception. So there is someone who is wearing a false mask, deception. This is a karmic one. Either divine feminines in your life, there is someone, if you are dealing with someone, so there is someone who is wearing false mask. And if your divine masculine is dealing with karmic relationships, so there is someone who is wearing false mask. And you see there is a man who is wearing a mask, and there is girl who is hiding their face from this feather. So that can be a possibility from both of your side, that there is someone who is wearing a false mask. Okay, either in your situation or in your divine masculine situation, but there is some person who is wearing a false mask. Okay, any other message? See, healing family issues, forgive your parents. Okay, so again this message is here, parents message, that you need to forgive them, forgive your parents, and learn the positive things from your parents, and break the negative patterns and the karma and the things which they were doing. You have to heal your family issues. Once you have healed your family issues, that will benefit your twin flame journey. There is runner, fear of intimacy, listening to the ego. So maybe the divine masculine is right now in a runner form. Okay, and that's why the chaser was there here. Okay, the running and chasing both were there here. Okay, so maybe right now I told you that stop chasing your divine masculine, okay, and focus on yourself. I told you, because you are in a chasing form, divine feminines, and they are running here. So that's why the runner and chaser both are here. So okay, so you have to stop chasing your divine masculine and focus on yourself. And they are running because they are listening to the ego, and they have fear of intimacy here. They are looking at your photos, missing you, nostalgia, making you memories, photograph. So yes, they are looking at your photos, divine feminines. They are missing you here. I was having that photo too, that I told you that they are looking at your photos here. Can you see? They're looking at your photos. They are missing you. Okay, they're missing you by looking at your photos here. Then there is igniting, exciting, finding your soul purpose, talent, new chapter, path, life changes, share your gifts. So you have to ignite exciting things. You know what is your soul purpose. You know that you have to work on your soul purpose. Okay, so work on your soul purpose, find your soul purpose. A new chapter is indicated, which is going to start very soon in your life here, which is the message which I was getting for you. So these are the messages which I am getting for you. Love yourself first, divine feminines, love yourself first. Okay, so these are the messages which I was getting for you. So I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all of you wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself and see you soon.